Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 2 with Kinect. The Kinect sensor for Xbox 360 brings a new dimension to your gaming, allowing you to interact using your body and voice. Forza Horizon 2, with its vast open world and dynamic weather, is an incredible racing title. When paired, Kinect can offer a more intuitive and engaging way to experience the thrill of the festival, making your gameplay feel more connected and responsive. Getting your Kinect ready for Forza Horizon 2 is straightforward. First, connect the Kinect sensor to your Xbox 360 console. It typically plugs into a dedicated port on the back. Position the sensor carefully, ideally about 2 feet above the floor, ensuring it has a clear view of your play area. Then, launch the Kinect hub and follow the simple on-screen calibration steps to optimize its ability to track your movements and voice commands accurately. Once set up, Kinect integrates seamlessly into Forza Horizon 2. You can use intuitive voice commands to navigate through the game's menus, effortlessly switch between radio stations, or even manage your GPS without touching the controller. Head tracking provides a more immersive experience, letting you naturally glance around your car's cockpit or survey the beautiful open world. While not for driving, these features add a layer of convenience and realism to your racing adventure. To get the most out of your Kinect experience with Forza Horizon 2, consider a few tips. First, ensure you have plenty of clear space, ideally at least 6 feet, between yourself and the sensor for optimal tracking. Second, try to minimize background noise to improve the accuracy of your voice commands. Finally, explore the Kinect settings within your Xbox 360 dashboard to fine-tune sensitivity, ensuring the sensor responds perfectly to your unique play style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.